Welcome back. Now, whether or not you're using Amazon SES along with a server or cloud-based interface, or you're using it as transactional email, you're going to want to make sure that you keep your domains matched. So if you're working with a particular domain, you're just going to come into Amazon SES and take that existing domain, come to the domain section, and just as you did before, you're going to verify your new domain. All you're going to need to do is to click verify a new domain, and then you're going to go through the same process that we did before with the previous domain. You'll set up your DKIM settings, you'll write in your name, you'll generate the DKIM settings, you'll click verify this domain. You will then get another set of entries that you'll need to put into your zone editor. You're going to want to make sure to download this entire CSV because this is a drop-down menu. You may miss this third one here. And once you download this CSV, you're going to want to come over to your column. You'll just want to expand it so that you have all this information. Then you're going to go to your zone editor for the new domain. Once you're back inside your zone editor, then you'll be able to add your records according to the particular ones that you have in the CSV. For example, you'll see the 3 CNAME records that you'll be entering in, and you'll do this for each one of the records that you have in the CSV, and you'll just add in the record here inside of your zone editor. Now, the only way that you're going to need to do this is if this is something that your host doesn't do. So you are going to want to make sure you check with your host, make sure you know the exact procedure to add this to your DNS. In some cases, your host will actually do this activity for you. And once you've entered, you'll see that you'll need to go through the verification process. Once the verification process is complete and you've added the information, Amazon will actually keep checking. You don't have to go back and manually submit anything. This will update automatically. As you can see, this domain has already verified and we're now ready to use it with the DKIM settings. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.